This video you're looking at right now has over 10,000 views. But here's the funny part, it didn't start that way. In fact, this video was basically not working out when I posted it. Do you understand? Before I could even reach 1,000 views, it took so long. YouTube stopped pushing it and there was no impressions, no recommendations, basically nothing. It was just there and stagnant. So something changed, right? I applied a specific strategy, not once, but deliberately, guys. And then YouTube started treating this video new. Recommendations came back, views picked up, and basically the video just took off and everything started working again after I used this approach. Okay, this approach I've used on other videos, both on my face channel, this one you can watch me, and on my faceless channel. Okay, and that strategy is what I'll be teaching you in these videos today. So if you have old videos in your channel that feels buried, or videos that you need that used to get views or don't get views now, or even the ones you uploaded newly and it's not working, it's not going viral, then worry not, because this video is going to solve that problem for you. Okay, I'm going to show you how to revive those videos and how to make the new ones also get views as well. Now if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy, and on this channel I create videos about tips and strategies to grow your YouTube channel very fast and monetize. I also share easy editing video tips for you to make your content interesting as a creator. Go ahead and check my playlist. I've got a playlist on editing and I've got another playlist on YouTube growth. Those are videos that I can actually help you make your journey very easy. Okay, so guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your questions in the comment section, and also as well share to other creators. Okay, now the first step is for you to fix your channel settings, guys. Fix your channel settings, right? Before touching any video you want to revive, go to your YouTube studio. Okay, go to Chrome and search for YouTube dashboard, and then click on settings. Okay, click on your channel, of course, as you can see in this video, and click on advanced settings. Right, click on advanced settings. There are two features here that matters a lot, guys. The first one is the automatic dubbing. This is a very powerful tool that YouTube introduced not too long ago, but it has been working since the day it was introduced. Do you understand me? When you turn this feature on, YouTube can actually translate your video into different languages automatically. That's why when you go ahead and check some videos, they'll tell you that how this video was made, auto-dubbed. This is the feature that actually makes it possible. Do you understand me? This means your old videos can suddenly reach new viewers who don't even speak the language that you recorded your videos in. Do you understand? So let's assume you recorded your videos with English. Your viewers can actually watch this video in Italian language. They can hear your voice talking in Italian language. Yes, your voice will be transformed. While you're speaking English here, in Italy, you will speak in Italian language. The system translates your voice. Is that not a good thing? Yes, reaching new audience for free. You don't even need a translator to come and do it for you. YouTube does that job for you. And I think this is a very powerful feature that can actually help creators. So if you are here to find out about this, go ahead and turn on your own, okay? Because people all over the world can actually watch your videos. So this feature alone can give you new audience and make your channel go very far, okay? Now, the next thing for you to do is to scroll down and turn on hype. What hype does for you is that it allows your viewers to actively support and boost your videos, guys. It's one of those features that quietly helps YouTube understand that people care about your channel or your contents. Okay, once both of these things are turned on, save your settings and just relax. You will see that your videos will be springing up. The second step is for you to pick the right videos to revive. Yes, pick the right video. Now go back to your page and check for a video that's actually stopped getting views. Okay, videos with low impression or nothing at all, no momentum. Click on that video details. Reset the titles using A and B settings. So I'm using Chrome, as you can see. Use Chrome for all of these settings. Okay, this part is very powerful. Using a title section, you will see that the option to run A and B testing when you open your title, as you can see right here. Now here's something to understand. This current title has already failed. That's why there's no result, there's no data coming up, there's no views within the last 48 hours. So please don't reuse this title. Okay, now copy this old title, open ChatGPT and paste it there. Tell the ChatGPT what this video is all about and ask it to create at least 3 videos title for you. When you get those titles, copy them and put them into this A and B texting. Do you understand? Now, what YouTube does next is mind-blowing, because it begins to show your video to different group of viewers. It treats this video as a new video. Different viewers, different audience, and even different profiles. Both those that have seen it before and mostly those that have not seen that video before. So that your video that has been there not getting views, it starts undergoing a fresh test. Do you understand me? A fresh review. So whichever title gets much click, that's the title YouTube will retain for you. Do you understand me? That's like waking up your video from a slumber. The moment your video wakes up, impression increases again, engagement increases, watch hours, subscriber, everything increases, especially when that video is very interesting. You can also do that with thumbnail, which is the next step. It leads us to that thumbnail test, which is also very good. Test new thumbnails. You can scroll down to the thumbnail section and click on that three dots that is on top of the thumbnails. Okay, now click on thumbnail test, A/B testing. Just like the title, the original thumbnail already fade as well. Do you understand? Now all you have to do is to create new thumbnails. Now create 2 to 3 different thumbnails and start this test. Okay, upload all of these thumbnails and start this test. Do you understand? Now YouTube is testing combinations, new titles, new thumbnails, new viewers. You see, your video will start getting revived in less than 48 hours. You'll be seeing results. Now that's how the algorithm resets your videos and revise it. You're not giving it, you're giving it new data to work with. Do you understand? New signals, new packaging, new audience. This is what the algorithm is working with. So imagine combining this feature with automatic dubbing and hype. Now your video gets to new viewers that you have not even imagined before. Now, is this not a good update, guys? This is how you can actually revive your video and even position your new video, your new uploads in the right direction, guys. You'll see that you'll be uploading and getting free engagement. That's just how it is, guys. So this is it for today. If this video has helped you, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn on notification bells, and also drop your comments and share to other creators who needs to hear this. Okay, thank you very much for watching to this point. I really appreciate you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.